Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe and start your journey to becoming a Microsoft Excel guru. Today I will be putting you through on how to work with charts in Microsoft Excel. Where you find your chart is under Inserts. Now I have this table right here to show you how to convert this table to charts. Under charts, we have different kinds of charts you can use to illustrate your information. Now, number one, we have column charts, we have line charts, we have pie charts, we have bar charts, we have area chart, we have scatter chart, then we have other charts. If you click the flyout, you see the various charts that we have right here. Now, if you want to convert this information to charts, you highlight from here, from top here, you drag down, then you come to your chart portion. Let me start from column. Under column, if you click the flyout, you have different kinds of column chart you can use. You have 2D, that is two-dimensional column, 3D, three-dimensional column, we have cylinder, we have cone, we have pyramid. Let me show you 2D column. From here, you have this one. If you click, you have your charts straight away. So, if you need to adjust what you have as the information, this amount is not right for the information in your chart. You click, then clear it and give it a name that you want. So let me say sales performance for the month of December 2019. Here we go. This is explanatory and presentable. Now, if you need to change the format or you need to change the design of your chart, you click on it, come back to the charts layout right here. This is the one we are using presently. If you can click here, you can see. You click the next one, you can see the change. Click the next one, next one, the next one. So it's left for you to choose the one you want. Let's go back. Don't forget to change it, the description, to this. So this had the sales rep right under here. This is the amount. Now, take for instance again, I want to go to 3D. You highlight, click the column. These are the 3D portion. Click the one you want. As an example, let me click this one. This has changed to 3D automatically. As you can see, this is 3-dimension. If you want to change the style, you can click the next one under chart layout, the next one, the next one, the next one, the next one. So that is how column works. So you can play around here, everywhere. You can play around and get a template that you want for yourself. So you apply the same thing to lines. This is lines. Apply the same thing. Click, change to lines. Change to lines. If you like, you can change the color under here. Chart style here. You can change the color the way you want it. So the next one is this pie chart. Don't forget that you can click this flyout under line and check the other ones that you want. If you like, you can go to 3D lines. This is 3D lines. If you click on it, you can see. Don't forget to change it. Change the narration to what you want. So the next, this is pie chart. You can see pie chart. So we have bar chart. This is bar chart. Click the flyout. Pick the one you want. As you like it. So for today, that is that for charts. So see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.